Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. Another day in the market. Oil prices went, far as price per barrel, from 120 down to like 87 bucks. Still higher than what it was. You really want it around like that $60 a barrel and lower to get it back to the previous prices we had. But it is what it is, man. Welcome to America. Welcome to 2026. And it's called inflation. So stuff will go up. It seems like it's gonna be hard and impossible for stuff to come down. We got an interest rate cut supposed to be this month. A meeting. I think if it's not tomorrow, it's next weekend. Next Wednesday. If it's not tomorrow, I think it's tomorrow though. But I think everything pretty much priced in. They're not gonna do no interest rate cuts. At least I don't think so. Pushing that gas up in that war would have put some pressure on them doing it. They could do it, but I think they really not. Powell gonna be out the office in May, so then the new Fedman get in there and gonna see what he gonna do. I don't think they're gonna do any for the whole year, to be honest, man. So people might well price it in and push forward. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent video, share my channel also. Let's get the trade, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Yesterday I did sell some hood. Like I was telling y'all before, I don't know if y'all watch my whole videos, but if you don't, it is on you. I make a 30-minute, 20-minute video for a reason. If I want to do just a 10-minute, it'll just be 10 minutes because it's 30 minutes worth of jewels in there. Um, I brought some at 5 shares at 73.90. I sold them yesterday at 78.36. Made like 20 something dollars on that trade. Wasn't about the trade and the money. I did it to buy and lower my average cost. I had an average cost in like $112, $113 range. Now you can see I got the same amount of shares at 87.98 now. I did the same thing in my cash out portfolio too. I got an average cost down like 80 something bucks. I started out buying this in like the $140 range. But here it go. Like I said, a lot of people are buying and selling Webull, Robinhood, SoFi, those three stocks, and Arca Aviation. Them gonna be the ones I'm gonna be trading. If you look at the average trade volume right here, it's 33.62 million. This is stock people are trading and making money. So you still want to hold some for the long term. 52 highs, 153.86. But I will be trading this. I got another position in my cash out for like a long term. Every time this thing hits 74, I got another buy order in for 5 shares again at 73.90. I'm gonna do the same thing till I can get this down about the $70 range. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna keep on rolling. That's the only thing I sold. Urgent buys. Another one I'm doing a swing trade on. It's gonna be Earn. Earn and SVOL. Earn pay 8 cents a share a month. I like to swing trade these dividend stocks. Also, going in the day at $4.60. I've been buying this at the $5 and under mark, buying 25, 25, like those kind of buying those increments. This always plays around about the 525 mark. Just got a 1 year estimate. Price target of $6. Back in the day, this always traded at $7 or $8. Just pay 8 cents a share every month for the dividend. I got average cost of $4.93, 371 shares. Another one I'm doing, SVOL. This gonna go back past the $17 marks. Got down to 16.05 today. So since I got this margin, I'm gonna be keeping things for the long term, but I'm about to start trading these growth stocks, man. Start making me some nice capital appreciation. GIS. Well, let me show you ACHR because I did tell you that. Am I buying any today? I'm going to get a fractional share. I got an average cost now at $6.77. This always plays above the $7 mark. I brought a bunch of shares last week to get my average cost down to this price. All my fractional shares I'm keeping, but all the orders I make, 5 shares, 25 shares, all those I'm selling. Hold on, let me go back to this. Hold on, ACHR. 32.5 million average trades. That's what I'm saying. These stocks you want to hit up. You wonder why you up in these and it's not going in. People trading. You got these new. Ain't nothing wrong with it. The youngins, they like trading. They not investing in nothing. Long term what? Man, we ain't long term in nothing. We getting in and out. Average trade volume, 10.9 million. We'll call that 11. Going in the day, 543. Buying and selling. Using margin. And it's gonna lower my average cost at the same old time. So let's go with and with SoFi. I'm gonna show you that one. Check out the average trade, the trade volumes on these things, man. 67 million. People getting in and out on them. In and out. You wonder like, dang, got up to 1907, got back down to 1804 because people selling it. So that's what it is. And that's how I'm about to be rocking. But still got to have some for the long term when it does run up. All right, man, we'll go with GIS, General Mills. Got down to 42.46. This another one, 7.69 million. Buying and selling it, buying and selling it. 5.6% dividend yield. Some people buy that for a long-term play. Another one I'm about to be selling like that is Flower Food. Got a new president in, supposed to be turning things around. I brought $305 worth today at $870. Got another buy limit order. Now I brought another one at $877. And I got a buy limit order at $862. Attraction right here is the dividend yield, 11.1 per percent. When it go above the $9, the $400 stuff I brought today, I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna rinse and repeat to lower my average cost. I got average cost about $12. I need to get that down, and all the stuff I got before then, I'm gonna just keep. I'm just buying these massive loads and selling it. Netflix, go get you some of that. Still below the $900 mark. 52-week high is 134. AMZN, Amazon, around about 210-ish, 215. Go get you some of that. 52-week high, 260. COF, definitely one I'm gobbling up. 52-week high is 260. Get you some KLIP. This is nice monthly dividend pay between 58 68 cents a share every month. Got this on $2 a day recurring. But at these prices, I still going by it because I know this is a deal below the $31 mark. And I'm lowering that average cost. I'm at $34.28 now. Tesla hang around the $400 mark. Still a buy at that range. 52 high, 498.83. We did earn IWMY, something I buy and keep for cash flow. Do I sell this? No, I don't. Gonna get me some more earn. I'm not earn IWMY. I just dollar cost average on in. I load up when the market down and bad. I did buy a bunch of shares last week. I'm at 2047, 258 shares. We did bull. Horizon one I'm buying too, buying this dip. It reduced the dividend from 11 cents a share to 6 cents a share. People still gonna buy it. So I'm going and getting 5 shares of this every day. It's got a 1 year price target of $5.50. And this company is strong. This the first time they ever did a dividend, well, reduce the dividend. So I'm gonna rock out with them. The man, PFLT, which I'm gonna go to in a minute. SRLN. Look at the last week. Look at the charts. About to come on back up now. Last week been trading like $39 and 60-ish range. This about to turn around, pay out a dividend every month. Like 28, 25, 28 cents a share every month. Go get you some of that. That's why I parked my cash at. PFLT, I get like $10 a day of SRLN. PFLT got down to $8 at 8.13 right now. It's paid 10.2 cents a share every month. I'm gonna start loading up on shares of this every week. About 25 shares at the weekly low. That's PFLT, OPP, monthly income right here. Got down to 772 today, 776. That's fine. Get some of that just to add on to here. These are the plays I brought from my Webull portfolio. PCF, 579, 582. I'm at 602. $3 worth right there. Knock the average cost down slowly. And ACP pays every month too. Nice one to have. Got the 531 today. I'm at 536. So really ain't got to do nothing there. Can leave that alone. Nike. Definitely one to have. Down to 55.80. It's below the $60 mark. So I'm getting like $20 a day of it. Lower that, knock that average cost down. Wendy's down to 703. Put a buy order in at 673 also. Put a buy limit order. Wendy's decide to run. All right, that's Wendy's, HPP. Y'all stay out of this play here. I also went and got some Uber. It's at 72.30, 72.35. It got down to today. And that's everything on my list. I ain't I'm gonna get some SVOL at market price. I forgot to buy some of that at market price. No, I put the buy order in, but I still need to get some of that. Need to get some earn at market price also, because I didn't. Just in case it don't come back down. Didn't hear nothing from XLF today. I need to go get some of that. Hold on, what we got down to today. All right, XLF. And need to check on Spit. Definitely one I'm gobbling up right here. Okay, all right, let's go check our traps. It's a nice green day today. And get on out of here. Everybody go their way. KHC don't want to hit that $26 mark, so I'm able to sell it, boy. I'm about to say I should be up in the Dow. It's a dividend play. TCPC. Need to start buying this every week so I can hit me a swing trade on this one like I did with the other ones. Starwood. Yep, man, feeling good, feeling great about the market. About to ride it on out. I had somebody ask me the other day about some real estate stuff. I said, man, I'm riding out the market. I'm gonna ride out with these REITs and swing trading and these dividends, man. I ain't even doing. I'm good. I guess you got them robots coming to take the blue collar jobs. AI taking the white collar jobs. People ain't gonna be able to afford rent. Housing market gonna suck. People ain't gonna be able to qualify for loans. And this where we headed. And I'm gonna just trade and live off dividends when everything hit the fan. That's all I plan on doing, to be honest. Stay to myself. You know, a small circle in the private life is a peace of mind to me. So that's what I'll be doing, basically traveling, and that's about it. 1060 at FSK. If it break that 1028, I'm done with it. It's gonna use it for the dividends. Got Wendy's, Waste Management. Got a discount today, 3.91%. That's when I add a little bit on to it. That's when you want to buy them discounts, them pullbacks. I'm up 10.89%. DEA, that's when I was looking at earn. I was mistaking that for DEA. Just add on to this when it pull on back, building my position out. Got that, I'm at 23.53. 8.92% dividend yield. ChargePoint is another one I'm about to start trading. Bitcoin doing well. I like this at 16 and under. Y bid up, so should get a nice dividend this week. AIYY, a little discount, 1.94%. It's the only time I buy it. Although I got on the dollar-day recurring. PayPal, I got to buy a full share, so I just leave that for the dividend. And that's it for today. Green Day, quick day of trading. Signing off. Go get your money.